Hi everyone. In the last video, we have learned how to create new branch and raise pull request, then merge the PR with the main branch. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate the deployment process with the help of the GitHub to SFDX org. Let's take it with example. Like I'm going to my editor. Here I have the local machine. Here is my SFDX org, and here is my GitHub. Suppose I am doing any changes in my local machine in the code. I'm pushing the changes directly to the SFDX org, or I'm pushing the changes like in the changes in the code first to the GitHub, and then from the GitHub I am pushing those changes to SFDX org. Or in this way I set up a pipeline, like I push the changes to GitHub, then from the GitHub the changes goes to the SFDX org. Like here my GitHub is the main source where I handle the code or the changes. But in the prior process, if I am directly deploying the changes to SFDX org, it becomes some messy. Like if we have multiple local machines which are working on the same projects, like same persons working on the same projects, they are directly deploying their changes to the SFDX org. It is very hard to keep track of their changes, uh, or the version controlling is not happen properly. So instead of doing this, we follow the first approach. We deploy the changes to GitHub, and then from the GitHub we automate the deployment process with the help of the GitHub Actions or GitHub workflows. Let's do it practically. I'm going to my VS Code. Yeah, here I'm going to my directories. Project file here in the GitHub directories. I have two files. One is the push PR change, and other one is the validate PR change. This one file validate my changes, like when I am raising the pull request against the main branch, it validate the changes. If it finds out any issue or conflicts in the file, it restricts me or gives me error. Or if the change is validated properly, then there is another file. uh, this file push the changes to the org, like on my SFD sandboxes or the production environments. Okay, let's create a new branch. Going to source control. I'm check out to new branch, create new branch, name it contact service class. Yeah. Discard these changes, so I'm not working on those. Okay, uh, I'm creating a new class under my classes, Apex classes. I right click on it, create Apex class, name it contact service, contact service handler. Yeah, here is the constructor. I don't need the constructor, so I'm removing it. I'm adding a method, public static string, get contact name. I'm passing it contact ID, and returning the contact name, return name. I'm just doing the debug. I'm adding it here. Yeah, I have stacked those changes. I am raising the PR of these changes. New contact service class. Yeah, I am commit and push the changes. Yeah, it is new branch. I'm going to my GitHub. Here is my PR, and I'm raising my PR against the main branch. Here I can check out the changes. Yeah, create the new request. Yeah, the validation process has been started once the PR has been raised against the main branch. As the deployment process has been uh, failed, I can check out why it is failed. Here it gives error like I added the script in my validation file, like if there is any debug log it throws error. So I'm going back to my VS code and removing the debug from my code. Okay, and push the changes, remove debug logs. Okay, yeah, I'm commit the changes. The my package validated automatically. I'm going to, here my PR has been validated, and I'm click on the merge pull request, and the changes will be merged with the main branch. I'm going to my SFDX org. Here I can check out the status here. At this time I have validated a package. After some time, once it is merged, the changes will be deployed automatically here. uh, let's wait for some time. Yeah, you can check out like yeah, here I have deployed the package successfully with the help of the GitHub. In this way, we can set up workflows or GitHub Actions under the GitHub Actions for the deployment processes. In the next video, we are going to learn how to run the test classes with the help of the GitHub workflows. Thank you.